Quick guide: replace the rear display bezel on a MacBook Pro 17-inch. Gather tools: precision screwdriver set, plastic spudger, replacement bezel, and ESD strap. Power down, unplug, and wear an anti-static wrist strap before disassembly. Remove the 5-hinge and side screws using a Phillips precision screwdriver. Gently lift the display assembly and disconnect the video cable with a spudger. Carefully pry the rear bezel edges, working slowly to avoid cracking plastic. Inspect the replacement bezel and transfer rubber cushions or clips if needed. Align the new bezel around the display, ensuring even gaps in engaged clips. Install hinge and side screws to secure the bezel. Do not over-tighten. Reconnect the video cable, close the display, power on, and check function. Dispose old parts responsibly, store tools, and wipe surfaces. Keep screws organized. Before, a worn cracked bezel. After, a clean flush fit. Replacement complete.